Stephen David, and I work for Grassco Landscaping. I don't have to be at my office. I can be anywhere. Being able to use that mobile app whenever you want. I don't have to go back, connect to my Wi-Fi, open my laptop. I can either get my iPad open and use that mobile app on my iPad, or just go ahead on my phone. Now I can go to a job site, talk to my guy. How much pipe do you need for this building? How many fittings do you need? I'll just go on the app, go through and I put it in my cart, select the store that's close by, hit the delivery button, I get a call from the store, and they'll literally bring it the next day and have it on site for us. One thing excited for the mobile app is getting into the hardscapes, the pavers. That's a lot of our 50% of our business right there. So that's what I'm looking forward to, is really getting there and being able to see pricing and picking out our pavers and getting those deliveries. You know, like I said, it's efficient and quick and makes your job easier. You know, if you don't have an account manager, what are you gonna do? Wait when you go on the app, make that order, get your price. It's just a simpler way to do things.